Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. This is just a quick heads up on a couple of offers being launched by Airfix for the end of the summer. Before we start, a quick reminder that to go to the Airfix online store, please use the link in the information box below. That way, at no extra cost to you, Airfix will make a donation to the cost of running this channel. Now, the first offer is a free Spitfire kit when you spend £50 or more at the online store in a single transaction. The kit is the 1/48th scale Spitfire 5B that retails at a suggested £29.99. To get the free kit, you need to spend £50 or more. That's after any discount. So, for example, if you're a member of the Airfix Club, that will be £55.55 to allow for your 10% discount. Of course, as the total's over £30, you'll be getting free postage anyway. You can use Hobby Reward points as part or full payment, and you'll earn points on your purchase. This offer runs until the 27th of September or until stocks of the Spitfire run out. To make sure you reach the £50 total, you could add the new mystery box to your basket. On their own, the mystery box costs a set price of £10 plus postage. What you get will be a kit worth anywhere from £11.99 to £30 or more. Each mystery box contains just one kit. There is one kit each week. Mystery kits change weekly or when stock runs out. The best way to check the currency of the kit is to look at the item renewal date on the online store web listing. So those are the two offers, the free Spitfire on purchases over £50 and the new £10 mystery box. That's what's on offer. I hope you can bag some real bargains soon. Thanks so much for watching and goodbye.